Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
My honest opinion. The slower you eat it, you taste the flavor. Sissy did great.
Some viewers and subscribers, you see the other day, my people, me I cook some food, my people, but it seems like all the remembrance gone. Me no remember nothing, my people. So you see this YouTube channel right now, Mama J Cooking Channel, my people, it save me, it help me. So any food, people, any food at all you want to cook and learn in a Jamaican, my people, me I tell you about Mama J Cooking Channel, my people. Mama J Cooking Channel. So my people, please go over there and subscribe. Subscribe to Mama J Cooking Channel. Please, people. So just check below in the description for the link, or check in the comment section for the link to Mama J Cooking YouTube channel, my people. Me I tell us straight, Mama J. Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some people right now, me have to say, yo, Jamaicans are the best, you know, man. Jamaicans not easy, you know, my people. Because right now, my viewers and subscribers, yo, me I say, I look at video now, people, go release with Mr. N0T, my viewers and subscribers, over there in the Bahamas. Because recently, Mr. N0T, you know what I mean, he gone over Bahamas to now, my people gone do something, because them have an opening, you know what I mean, have a hotel over there, one of the sandals, them that was closed over there through the pandemic, people. So recently it opened, my viewers and subscribers, open back. So Mr. N0T went over there, people, for the grand opening back of this hotel resort and thing, my people. And I look a video got released now, my viewers and subscribers, with Mr. N0T. You know what I mean? I do a look dance and thing, my people. And boy, there's a lot of backlash come off for the clip, my people. No joke about no joke about it. A lot of attacking I get, my people. So let me just showcase for the clip. If nobody not see the clip, let me showcase the clip. Some people, on a real level, what you all think about this? See, recently in Ghana about this. So the main thing is that people are saying, yo, in a Jamaica where so much people are dead and everything, see, when it's the Mr. N0T that care about nobody, because I'm finding it hard to go over there and enjoy himself and I do this and I do that, and while people are dead at Jamaica, I'm sure do I do this. But on a level, my people, no joke about it, and you understand? I'm not going to agree with the people who want to say that. Zine, I'm not going to agree. You know what I mean? I understand and I talk to them about this crime and violence and thing and everything, people. But on a level still, we have to do remember, so Mr. N0T still got a life, people. You understand? And we still have to remember that he's the Prime Minister of Jamaica, and him still have to focus on other things to represent our country out there, same way, my people. So we do have to understand. See? So he was at this event, my people, and him could have got the event and did it and put him on and John start fret and not take part in these things. We have to understand, my people, he have to perform his duty as a Prime Minister. So when he do goes to these events, my viewers and subscribers, there's nothing wrong with this, my people. Honestly, me not see nothing wrong with it, my people. You understand? And if he deserve an attack, he gonna get the attack. But nothing wrong with this, my people. No joke about it. You understand? We have crime and violence, which take a toll on us, my people. You understand? And it affect us so bad. We should do have the Minister of Security, who is in Jamaica, people, who is the Deputy Prime Minister also. So while Mr. N0T is out, I understand over there, you know what I mean, in the Bahamas, the Mr. Horace Chang, who is the Minister of Security, he is the one who is the acting Prime Minister until he return, my viewers and subscribers. See? So, I can't bash my people for that. See? The man have to go out the people, and he still have to represent our country, because our country need to be represented out there also. You understand? Because on a level, we want crime to fix. You understand? And I myself attacking boss people. You see, I reel out and I talk to the youth, them and I say, youth in the top bus, they condemn a piece, you see, and that. You know what I mean? I preach out to them, people. But on a level, we still have to want better for our country, my people. Because remember, others we still have life to live, people. We still have a future for our generation also, and we still have to implement structures, and we still have to sell our brand out there as a country, my people. Because I know the fact is, people, there's a sandals opening over there in Bahamas, seen, which Bahamas is one of the most wealthiest country in the Caribbean, my people, if it's not. You know what I mean? And when we do, my people, our staff, like Jamaicans, can go over there to work and things, people. It's better income for them and for their families. Also, you understand, and sending back currencies in our country and make our country better. So we have to look on that on the global scale, my people. So the Prime Minister, get invitation and go over there, people. Nothing wrong with them take part in them local thing. That's part of their culture, my people. That's their local thing where they play their local music and he doing his thing. See? And me I tell the people, there's a lot of people about him. Based on the video, a lot of comments I said this, the Prime Minister not cure him live safe up a town and him eat him big dinner and go and bed at night time and this on that and that and that. Come on, my people. Sometimes some things just not necessary on a real level, and I now go pitting aside to certain things, and that's why I tell them I rate myself and who not rate me, I just side my people. I'm the attacking boss. But if I say something we need to get attack my people, I ain't gonna attack it. See? Either more attack the people who make them comments there. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. No joke about it. So, Mr. Oles, big up yourself and this, go represent the country, come back a yard, and then come fix the crime. You understand? While Mr. Oriel Strong for done there now, I deal with it and I start it because he's the minister of my people. You understand? So, while the man out there and have to doing work, people, we have to understand that he have to do his work. You understand? And you don't know, me no pick side, no politics, no politics, business, people. But truth is truth, and real is real. You understand? That's it. So, my people, big up on yourself. Thanks the like, the share, the comment, my people. And please remember, do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Thank you all, my people, for the love and for the support, my people. One dream, one team, one scheme. Peace out, my people. Love you all. Big up.